This is Aaron with Balls of Paradise. We got a delivery today from DCR Reptiles, Donnie, for those of you who might know him as. Well, let's get down to it and open this baby up. Very nice packaging job. Comes with his feed and shed and weight report. Nice and warm. It didn't come with a heat pack because, as you know, we both live in Florida and the temperature is pretty much 90% always good and nice for shipping reptiles. Lots of tape. I like how he left one little piece undone so you could grab it. Undo it nice and easy. Yeah, you're a big boy. And here he is, a pastel, 100% het clown. Look at that belly. Can you zoom in on him?